Okay, so this following post, in a different tone, is for my marketing blog, COMMGiving. Using data as a shortcut for relationship is totally wrong. Um, as a digital marketer who's been using data my entire career for the last I guess however long I've been working. Um, I would attribute the current craze or fad to not big data, not open data, but Donald Trump's election win, and how that sort of like analytics marketing company um, um, was placed in the spotlight, and all of a sudden, I remember practically overnight, everybody out was out there trumpeting sort of like this sort of like customer data, and we've been using marketers been using it for ages now, but now like every Tom, Dick, and Jane's using it. Um, Unfortunately, they're using it to as a shortcut to relationship building. Um, and what's worse is they're not they're not even using it to sample people. Like real sampling, you really only need a good group of like 100 people to get a gauge of what who your audience are, who your real customers are. But now everybody insists on knowing 100% everybody who goes to their website. Like even like if they get 1 million visitors, they want to know 100% about everybody, and it's become insane because marketers, we only take a sample, a random sample, and we throw out the names, right? We don't want to know your name, right, or your address, right? You could be an international customer, right? We don't want to know your name, your address, right? And we only need maybe like 100 of you, right? But some people are just going nuts with data. They might have your email, and then they might buy like third-party data sources linked to your email about your car registration, all your subscription clubs, and they're just going apeshit insane with data. And that's too much of an invasion of privacy, and it's not proper marketing either, because advertising marketing is a very old profession, and all those laws to protect privacy and not target kids are in place, right? So having said that, the current meme now is to use data as a shortcut for building relationships. Just be aware of that. Just be aware of that. So you might get flooded with all sorts of information. Just be aware of that. That's current fad, is to use data as a shortcut to relationships, when nothing much has changed in the proper usage of how to use data. All right, that's it. Same old, same old.